How's it going, everybody? This is Marlon with Kuberg, Florida down here. I'm the service manager here to show you this awesome piece of machinery that we got today. This is the Kuberg Challenger, their new bike that just came out. It's got the hydroform lightweight frame. That's all one piece construction, super durable, super lightweight. Comes with a Tektro Vela hydraulic brakes front and back, so you can literally stop on a dime. Also for the suspension, we got the RST Killer front suspension, fully adjustable race suspension with that race bracket, so you can really put it through its paces. Fully adjustable as far as the rebound goes. We have the RCP3 burner rear suspension, also adjustable as well. Comes with a custom 48-volt lithium-ion battery. All fully electric. That's the beauty of this thing. No gas, no hassle, no fuss, no muss. This is really an awesome piece of machinery. So real quick, I'm just going to talk to you about some of the customizable features that the Challenger has. The first one I'm going to talk about is the battery life. The standard battery life is 1 hour at full speed. So you get 1 full hour at full speed. We have an extended battery that you can purchase that doubles that life. So you get 2 full hours off of one charge, off of one single charge, and that's holding it at full speed for that entirety of the 2 hours. After about 2.5 hours of charge, you're back to fully charged and back out there again. Now, one of the other options that you can do is it comes with a standard 8 kilowatt controller, or you could upgrade that to the 12 kilowatt controller that really gives it a little bit of extra pep and really gives you ease of climbing over those obstacles and getting out there for those wheelies. Now, the other cool thing that you can customize is the front tire. It either comes in the 20-inch option that comes standard, or you can do the 24-inch option and you can customize it to put a bigger front tire to give you that little bit of extra clearance when climbing over those obstacles. And stay tuned for some awesome footage of her as we put her through the paces. Definitely. It's definitely balanced. Like I said, I'm Marlon for Kuberg, Florida. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me, and you guys have a great one.